So let's try to continue where we were. Let's see if I can hear myself, and I will start again. So yeah, I'm missing some music. Give me 1 second. Stupid music. Yeah, this. Finally, we have some music in the background. Let's open the what the hell is this? The chat in a smaller window so that we can check everything. Okay, so today we're going to do 2 hours so that we can so that I can do more stuff, and so that you know, we do some stuff. So what I want to do today is the meld part, because it's probably the most interesting one. So this creation thing. Meld for detecting changes. Then we've got JIT or creating comments. So okay, let's assume that we have selected 2 different candidates. So ATC secure X11 coin Machi work is a clone of pointed at what? At the latest available comment. The tip. Okay. Then Machi is a clone of Machi repo, pointed very first commit, which it's usually the initial commit branch, which we have here. Initial commit branch. Pointed at, checked out, check it out. Okay. Check it out, the very first commit. So the idea is comparing those to directories thanks to meld, which by default ignores the thick directory, and just copy those files which have interesting differences which we want to save. So we compare those two directories text to meld, and then we just copy those files which have interesting differences, which we want to save. Okay. Once then we just copy files, interesting files which have interesting difference from Machi repo to ATC secure coin Machi work rep. From Machi repo, so future repo, past, and this is past repo. Okay. Once we have those files, we can use hit diff on ATC secure past repo to find out actual differences according to hit. I recommend using hit at -1 -I in order to select which commits, which changes are useful for the different commits. So we had this thing about so the creation of scripts of you could use the different labels that have been discussed in the virtual commits introduction file, commits introduction MD file. Yeah, maybe like this. As a reference about what a commit should have. And that's it. So let's see an actual example. Where's the bookmark that I have here? Let's do it. ACC secure is found at here. Wait. found here, and Machi is found whatever. Give me Machi repos Machi, I guess, isn't it? Yeah. Let's do it like this. Machi repo Machi. So Machi is found at this thing here. You can run this thing here. Okay, so this is X11 coin, no Machi, whatever. So instead of this thing of Machi, we're going to use this thing here so that it's more obvious. So now you can change this with whatever you want to do. So it's like this. You know what I mean? So you go into the view past the repo, and this is past repo, yeah. And here we are on the okay, give me 1 second, please. We will continue. So let's try to go on. So you can run this. You will find on your left pane you will find, wait a minute, is it like this? Is this what we are willing to do? Yeah, probably there are no more meld stuff. You will find on the left pane magic commits, and on the right pane X11 coin commits, magic commits, which is future repo, past repo. Is it this like that? I'm not sure about any of this. Okay, so matter repo. Now I'm not sure if this is the right thing to do, because I would say that I mean, do I have any mailed stuff here? No, I don't have it. No, I won't have the directories, but yeah, I mean, I should have this if I go into the matter retro repos and then go into somewhere. Dump 5, dump. What the hell is all of this? Oh yeah, the different dumps. I'm not sure this is a good idea to have. Where's the Machi.dat repo? So, what we are documenting here is that you can use first the Machi repo, which would be this one here, I guess. Machi. And then use this one here. Somehow it's a good idea. I'm not sure this is a good idea. Wait a minute, I have one of them open. So the wait, mean coin isn't right. No, I think I always copied from. So you think that I copy from left to right? Damn it! I have to check my old commits. I don't understand any of this. So okay, wait a minute. But we need to find out if this is the right thing. Maybe probably checking old videos, because I'm not sure about this. so you will find. Wait a minute. I'll come back. Okay, so let's take a look at old videos to see what the hell I was doing with all of this. We should have, I mean, not the putting all together thing, but maybe this one here. I'm not sure about that. Where the hell is melt to be seen? We should find melt somewhere, isn't it? Go here and find something. Where the hell is the matchy stuff? Here it is, I guess. I mean, development, it's quite a thing. So let's try, I don't know, this one here. Yeah, this one has melt because it's in the screenshot. Look at that, so many files. Let's have some more of this. So that, okay, here we have this thing here. Look at that, it's exactly this example here. So we are in X11 coin, and then I guess that we're going to run the melt thing. Okay, so the melt thing, we've got the step Machi, and then yeah, you have Machi on the left. Wait a minute. Yeah, because we can detect the changes even if they are in different folders. So this is right. So then we can copy from left to the right. So this is the past, yes, but we can copy from left to the right, so that's okay. Yeah. So you are encouraged to copy files from the left pane to the right pane, thanks to the copy to the right, copy to the right button. Once you have those files, So this is left pane is future repo, right pane which is past repo. So once we have those files, we can do this. Okay, so how to commit should have yeah, so files that are different will be highlighted in blue. If you double click that file, you will find its specific differences. Yeah, and that's it. I mean, when not to add commits. So once Mel does not find any differences between past repo and future repo, you can use other tools such as diff urn, compare, and so on, probably removing temporarily the hit directory from both repos. This will ensure you that everything has been compared properly. Sometimes meld says that two files are the same ones, even if their line ending characters are not the same ones. Either if you find any difference or not, you should put the hit directories back to where they were. And that's it. I mean, we have forgot about this. Okay, 1 second, please. Yeah, I mean, we should right, where we create a new branch like manual fork, past repo, future repo. That's it. This is very important, okay? And I think we are done with this thing about creating commits. Dime. Wait a moment. Okay, so either if back there when you are. Let's save this and we will document how to put everything together, which is going to be very nice, I guess. Let me check very quick. So this into commits creation. I'm not sure if I'm online. Yes, I think so. I'm online. Okay, so between added mail section. Okay. Okay, so now we have this thing, virtual comics creation that we have finished, and the next thing we want to work on should be the how to put all the commits together, which I'm not sure. Virtual commits final squash. I don't know, that's something that let's open this on the bottom and wait, why the hell? Virtual commits, put in all of them together. Yeah, please rent introduction and please rent and the other one, which is virtual creation. And now I don't know what to put here. In any case, please wait a second. so this about putting all them together should be quite straightforward because we have done it recently. So so it should be here somewhere. So introduction. What the hell? Okay, so so the introduction is
Here we go.
basically the main, basically the commit that should basically the commits that start in a future repo are dumped as emails, as email attachments, and then those emails as email attachments, and then those email attachments are then those emails attachments are converted onto commits in the past repo. That's it. So dump commits onto email attachments. This, okay, so this method is not perfect, but works fine most of the time. So dump commits onto email attachments. How the hell do you do that? Look at that, and patch and so on. Hit AM. Wait a minute. Hit AM in. Wait a minute. Does the Unix hit AM? Aren't we supposed to have a directory where we create those dumps? Hit AM abort. Yeah, I mean, I had to do a lot of stuff that were not okay till this worked properly. Dump commits onto email attachments. Okay, look at that. Oh, we do it in one go. So dump commit into email attachment and convert commits, convert email attachments onto commits. I mean, they are patches, but you know, yeah, that's it. I mean, let's copy everything so that so pass repo is follow. Wait, it's
Here we go.
pass repo is peer coin. Follow cap branch, and future repo is green coin. So yeah, so the three here are the same thing, isn't it? So if they are the same thing, we should do it like that. Yeah, so this is what it is actually, and then you've got more stuff that did not work as expected here. That's it. I mean, you can watch. I'm not going to document any of this. You can watch the videos to see all of the problems that we have found here. So this is new branch, annual fork, bottle cap screen coin. Yeah, that's what it is. And that's it. I mean, I think we have finished here. I mean, we could write more stuff, but okay, so final squash here. I mean, So basically now what it's missing here is just adding some rambling here. So it's the readme place and this put header specific to X11 coin. So we can where talk about those to Unix against comparisons.
Here we go.
Talking alone. So there's those two Unix. So when a file seems completely different than another one, it's worth running those two Unix or Unix to DOS on it to see if it needs to be converted in order to find out what are the actual differences. Then
Here we go.
I need to see if it needs to be converted. Okay, then you've got renaming. You might need to rename some files. Some files like in order to compare them properly. Otherwise they are going to, otherwise you won't find proper changes. I mean, we should have a lot of samples here, I guess. Let's do it on here, like rename. Wait, rename. as Nakamoto. There should be some profiles somewhere. I don't know. I'm unable. Where the hell are we here? Yeah, we should have everything here. I don't know why there are not renames. File rename. Okay, so you might need to rename some files like profiles, otherwise you won't find the proper changes, useful changes. In any way, we should be able to find this here. So Fox X11 coin thing. Look at that. Here we add this Machi QTOOR Pro stuff, which is not very good. Why .pro? Maybe .profiles were not modified, I don't know. Okay, so otherwise you won't find the actual useful changes. Entiendo their keys unveil changes. Okay, so gentle other. Back in the day, some coin developers used Okay, so yeah, okay, so now we can say some use it in order to change the ticker, the coin name and so on without knowing what they were doing. This has helped us to find out some repos, some ancestor repos to the ones we were studying. One clear example affects the file. As you might know, a GPT file is not supposed to be changed. Either you change it completely or you don't. So if there are 2 letters or 3 letters that change there, you might find out that yes, there has been a ticker change. Okay, let me see. Okay, so if there are 2 letters or 3 letters that change, let's see if we can find out this thing here. So we've got the Machi. Let's go to the latest Machi thing. Wait, this is not it. Let's go to Peer Coin and let's find out the where the hell is this? is this? Yeah, so we have Machi here, we have different commits and so on. So if we go into this guy, which is country. Wait a minute, country is not here. Yeah, country. GT on the loader and Scott. Wait, is Scott Nadal? Which one am I going? Yeah, I think it was this one here, isn't it? I mean, history. Remove Scott Nadal. What the hell is this? Yeah, here it is. You can see the commit. Scott's public key. And then here is once again fixed. I mean, not fixed, but okay. Let me write this down the other screen. So we can take a look at here, but I need to write down this one here, which is the Scott one. Okay. There's a ticker change. So okay, let's copy the examples here, which is so this is WC just changed onto BDG, and the other one, which is here, which is it's on the XC part, it's BDG gets changed onto XC, which is the X currency thing. take a look at these two commits. I think we are done. I mean, I could check how the README looks like right now to see if there's something that. So these notes, we have here some stuff, and wait coin, so the port. I mean, there are a lot of, yeah. So now let's put the media thing. So let's where the hell is this? README MD. Okay, so README added more missed changes. Okay, so let's add this thing about the media. All of this work was, I mean, mostly, majority, this work was recorded in a YouTube playlist, which you can check. Let's make a link because, and so you want to check the first link or something like that. Let me see. So I guess that I did some stuff before going here in order to find out that Peercoin was the right thing to use. So this is the URL which you are supposed to be using, part 1, and then you've got everything here. This work was recorded this work, including the documentation part of this own repo was recorded in YouTube, which you can check. That's it. I mean, I don't want any donation because what's this thing about? Yeah, so Rambler, I need to write down some stuff about how to hit diff me. Wait a moment. Yeah, I'm supposed to save here, this thing here. So readme.md. Okay, so readme.md what What the hell is this about? Added media section. You want to resume match development. Advice. Advice on resuming match development.
Here we go.
Okay, so many people that have magic coins from Minion, and many people that have magic coins from Minions back in 2024 want the coin to be resumed in a more recent code base. Also, many people, just for fun, want to So also many people just for fun want to how to proof matching. For all of you here, there are some thoughts about how to push the matching development forward. Now I have to write down the matches tab. Okay, the best approach would be to use peer coin as a base and then add the proof of work step that has in addition matching. Or stuff. You need to make a you make it to make that does not need checkpoints. It's not okay. Does not need checkpoints. And you need to find out many people to doesn't need checkpoints. You need to make a coin that does not need checkpoints. You need to make a coin that does not need chickens. Otherwise, we are at the mercy of the private key of the creator, the coin creator. So while you before removing checkpoints, you might it might be wise to replace the public key that creates different checkpoints and use another one of your own, so that you can say that you actually control the coin. And this will probably need a fork, so double the money and so on. What more stuff? Okay, so we want more stuff. It does not need checkpoints. Let's see if we can find out where the checkpoints are here, because that way we can link some stuff here and there, so that, you know. Okay, so these commits here, I mean, I want to use this branch here so that it's the right branch, and then somewhere, look at that, checkpoints.cpp. Look at that. Here we have all of the checkpoints, which, you know, why the hell are all of these checkpoints?
Here we go.
So does not need checkpoints. So here we're going to link onto the checkpoints part of Machi. So before removing checkpoint, replace the public key. So this public key, I mean, I searched for it if there was a private key or something, but there was public key that was used in order to check if everything was okay. I'm not sure what the hell is this. Look at that, STR. Yeah, I think it's this thing here, STR master path key, which should be somewhere. See, sync checkpoint. So this is a class. Okay, here it is. Main. So the private key is not here. That makes sense. So this one is the master key, which we are going to put here so that you can the public master key. So let's put it here so that you can take a look at this. So so at a time I thought that it was a good idea to remove either the PO or the POS part of Machi coin. Having both a PO and a POS system at the same time, it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very great, but it comes with a cost regarding how easy it's the coin to maintain.
Here we go.
You need to check the PO ancestors and also the POS ancestors and see how they are upgrading their code bases. If you only use either PO or POS, it should be easier. It should be easier. So just think about it. Okay, so just think about it. At the time, what changes actually want is a code base similar to recent code base or coins that they already have, so that it's easier to integrate onto their systems. So maybe Peercoin is not a good idea because right now not too many big and well-known exchanges enable you to trade Peercoin. We might want to find out another POS coin, probably based on Peercoin, which is more used. Okay, so actually want so this is about the changes. This is maybe an introduction. And this is MISC notes. Best approach will be to be okay. level DB. So what actually makes a coin, it is its blockchain. Currently the blockchain is being saved onto a level DB database, which is not suitable with the current blockchain size is not suitable for a 1G device. So memory, so either something else like SQLite is used, or the minimal requisites need to be something like 4 or even of RAM. Level DB and forks. It's just blockchain. So what actually makes coin contact it's blockchain. Currently blockchain is being implemented in ways. It's one of the, what are the commits? If one of the blocks, it's one of the blocks define if they are either a POS or a POW block. So if you want to remove either POS or POO, well, you will need to create a version that supports both of them. And then that's not low, let's say that's not a low, let's say POW, and then later on it only supports in a new version POS. You should also think about doing a snapshot so that balances are kept, but all of the history is lost. So yeah, then later on only supports in a new version POS. Only supports POS in a new version. This will also simplify the source code regarding how to deal with level DB. Yeah, so this is more or less my advice on resuming Magi development. I guess that there are more stuff that I can add later on. But yeah, so basically it's about working with all of this. Wait a second, please. Okay, so misc note about this chains and so on. How to deal with level DB. Yeah, I mean, what more can I suggest about okay, I think that's it. I mean, yeah, maybe about all code, about learning all code. You could try to learn what I think it's worth checking many of the folks mentioned here to see how they have evolved into the current days. Is it better coin maintain nowadays? Is it still POS and so on? Example. Then you could also check differences between the different peer coin big releases and try to apply that into the POS part of Coin. And yeah, we can Bitcoin big releases and try to apply that into the PW part of Bitcoin. I mean, that's some stuff that could be useful to do. And also you could you could also use some of the comparison techniques used here to see what it's actually different in a recent peer coin version and Coin. Yeah, so that's it. I think we are done. Let me see. So match development, resume advice. So I think we are done here. So it's just about you know, bunker mati. Okay, wait a minute. So it's probably bunker mat is probably the one. Okay, so I think we are done. So it's just about going into Bitcoin talk thread and put there whatever, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Bye. So this is the very end, because I don't think I'm going to update any of this. So this is the very end. So thank you very much. Bye. Don't ask me to fork this or whatever, but it would be a nice project. But maybe in 2 years time I can try to learn how all of this has been forked during the years and how Bitcoin has been improved and so on. I don't know if it's worth it. So thank you very much. Bye.